In this video, I'm going to show how to install CurseForge and Overwolf. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In my case, I'm using a Windows, okay? And if you are on Windows, you just need to click on the Windows bar and search for Apps and Features, okay? After coming on Apps and Features, in my case, it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. You come on this search bar and search for CurseForge. You will find, and then we'll click on the second option, you install, and click again to confirm your action. After confirm your action, you install the CurseForge. Then you just need to make this the exact process on Overwolf. Search Overwolf, click on top, you install and confirm your action, okay? And that's it, you installed CurseForge and Overwolf. I hope I help you on how to install CurseForge and Overwolf. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive other tips.